Hello everyone, Sam here with FreeState Flow Solutions, and in this video we're going to be talking about who we are and what we do. So as far as who we are, FreeState Flow Solutions Incorporated, formerly PEC, Process Equipment and Controls, is a veteran-owned full-service distribution, automation, and service company servicing a wide range of industries in the heart of America. Our base of operations is in Olathe, Kansas, where we maintain a growing inventory of industrial valves, actuators, instrumentation products, and other specialty industrial equipment. We are committed to being a premier full-service supplier to our customers. The humble beginnings as a startup in a home-based office have grown to a staffed and stocked warehouse in Olathe, Kansas, a suburb of Kansas City. Now, FreeState Flow Solutions sells some of the most respected product lines in the industry. While our industry has experienced many ups and downs along with countless acquisitions of brands we have known for a long time, the reality is that the larger companies have only gotten bigger and customer service has not gotten any better. FreeState Flow Solutions has the unique ability to navigate those choppy waters for the customer in order to meet the application needs of our customers. With this, FreeState Flow Solutions is committed to maintaining the basic fundamental business practices that our reputation was built on in the first place. We look forward to servicing your facility's engineered equipment requirements above and beyond our competitors. FreeState Flow Solutions has a simple mission: provide a supplier option to our diverse industrial customer base that makes their operation more efficient and profitable. We accomplish this with a solutions-based sales approach, working with strong manufacturing or supplier partners, listening to the needs of our customers, and reacting swiftly to meet their requirements. This is Sam with FreeState Flow Solutions, and I want to thank you for watching this introduction video. I hope you check out some of our other videos, or better yet, if you're in our territory, feel free to reach out for a quote or an expert consultation.